Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Since it's looking a lot like you guys are going to follow the mom's laptop saga the whole way through, this is actually the one that failed her the first time. And don't you dare say they all look alike, you racist. This one is clearly much more filthy than all the other ones. I'm pretty sure those are like Pepsi can droppings on the top of it. I think what she actually did to this thing was spill something in it to kill it. Several months ago, I was at their house and had to swap her over to a spare that I had and found an interesting thing about the network card when I did that, so I thought I'd just show you that video quick. And that's actually going to end up being TBT number 1. But when I filmed it, I wasn't really expecting to make any videos at their house, so I didn't have my microphone with me or anything else, so the sound kind of sucks and all that. But anyhow, here we go. So here's just a quickie actual tech tip video from Mom and Dad's house this weekend. This is the one she had been using. This is her backup, her second one. And this one, something has happened with, I don't understand. So all I wanted to do was just yank the hard drive out of it, which I did, and put it in the other one, which I also did, which is really no big deal. But of course, when I turn it on, not all of the drivers loaded. Turns out the wireless cards between the two were different. And it's easier to just swap cards than it is to swap drivers with the way their internet's set up here to put it on like hardwired internet. Did that, and one thing I discovered on this guy here, the spare, which she got and has never used, is that the wireless card, the antennas to it, were not connected to the card. And I discovered that this black one, usually there's a gray one, the black one connected to these, whatever these are, Wi-Fi G cards or whatever. This black one, there's something wrong with the connector. It won't plug into a card. It was disconnected when I took the back off. And to repair that harness, this harness actually goes the whole length of the back and then up through the hinge and then up on top of the screen. So you have to gut the whole computer, and it's just completely not worth it. So what I did instead is there's always a second gray one. So this is a white one, there's a gray one. This should be a black one normally. There's always a second gray one tucked away over here. And I always assumed that was for a different mode of Wi-Fi card. I've never had one that actually required all 3 antennas connected. But since this one was dead, I just went ahead and said, well, let's plug the gray one in and see what happens. And lo and behold, Wi-Fi works just fine. So I don't know if you can just get away with one antenna lead. I kind of don't think so. Or if it doesn't matter if you use a white and gray or a white and black. But it took off and ran. And these cards are universal enough that if you find this in your laptop, it's worth trying. So just a quickie today from Mom and Dad's basement in preparation for more things this weekend, not computer related. But anyway, guys, thanks for stopping in. We'll catch you on the next one. I'm Max, that's Saddington Bear, and we make videos like this all the time. Here are a couple links to some other videos we've made, and we really appreciate you guys stopping in.